Now today we are going to discuss properties of the carbonyl compound, particularly relative reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. Generally towards nucleophilic addition reactions, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. Reason क्या है? देख लीजिए. Why aldehydes are more reactive than ketones? अच्छा देखो aldehyde में R C double bond वो H. अच्छा, moreover carbonyl group is a more polar group. More polar. Oxygen negative charge है, carbon positive charge. So nucleophile can attack very easily. Nucleophile can attack very easily. Nucleophile can attack very easily. अच्छा, when compared to acetaldehyde, formaldehyde is more reactive. देखो formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Suppose we are going to compare formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. अच्छा, here nucleophile can attack very easily without any doubt. But here there is some doubt है, reactivity less है. Reason is methyl group is nothing but electron releasing group है, plus I group है. Due to plus I group, electron density increases. Due to this group, electron density increases on carbon atom. So nucleophile attack very less when compared to formaldehyde. But suppose if you take ketone, now instead of H, you can take R, this ketone. मतलब 2 electron releasing group. So electron density still increases. If electron density increases, attack of nucleophile suspect only. So that's why statement is given: aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. For your kind of information, aliphatic compounds are more reactive than aromatic compounds also. Right? Aldehydes, because aromatic compound में resonance structure. Aliphatic compound में there is no resonance structure. That's the reason why aliphatic compounds are more reactive than aromatic compounds. Anyhow, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. Bulkiness increases, plus I group increases, its reactivity decreases. This is according to nucleophilic addition reactions. देखो example दिया यहाँ. Example दिया. Formaldehyde is more reactive than acetaldehyde, then acetone, then etc. Number of alkyl groups increases, its reactivity decreases. But whereas minus I group increases, its reactivity increases. Where minus I effect increases, like देखो, ये minus I effect increases है. Trichloroacetaldehyde है, which is more reactive than acetaldehyde. More reactive than even formaldehyde also, acetaldehyde है. So reason क्या है? क्या reason देखो, ये reason क्या है यार? ये R minus I group है. Minus I withdraws the electron from over here. ये more electron deficient है. Then LCD is more electron deficient हो गया. Whenever more electron deficient है, nucleophile can attack very easily. अच्छा, remember है, plus I group increases, reactivity decreases. Plus I group increases, reactivity decreases. Whereas the minus I group increases, reactivity increases. Plus I group increases, reactivity decreases, whereas minus I effect increases, its reactivity increases. Its reactivity increases. Aromatic aldehydes and ketones are less reactive than corresponding aliphatic aldehyde and ketone. The reason क्यों? The reason, what is the reason here? What is the reason? For example, I take aromatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes. अच्छा, because of resonance. अच्छा, क्या होना चाहिए? This is polar bond ना. Carbon should be electron deficient and nucleophile can attack at the carbon. But because of resonance, there should be partial double bond character between carbon and carbon. So nucleophile attack is मुश्किल. Very difficult to attack nucleophile because of resonance is possible. अच्छा, resonance structure we can write. ये double bond, ये O minus है, ये H है. देखो यहाँ पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. This is stabilized by resonance. In all resonance structure, देखो carbon carbon double bond है. So nucleophile attack is very difficult, suspect also. So aromatic compounds, why is less reactive than corresponding aliphatic aldehydes and ketone because of the reason. Even aromatic में plus side group increases, is reactivity decreases, whereas minus effect increases, reactivity increases. Like suppose benzaldehyde है, para-nitrobenzaldehyde है, para-nitrobenzaldehyde is more reactive. अच्छा ऐसा किया compounds है, एक benzaldehyde दिया, एक benzaldehyde दिया, एक methyl group is दिया, अच्छा एक नाइट्रो ग्रुप is given, एक नाइट्रो ग्रुप is given. अच्छा which is more reactive means among this one because minus sign withdraws the electron, carbon में electron density maybe increases, electron deficiency increases है, nucleophile can attack very easily. अच्छा this is electron releasing ना, due to hyperconjugation electron releasing ना, still it is increased, less reactive only. अच्छा numbering is 1 2 3, which is more reactive means 3 is more reactive than 1 than 2, reactivity order among the aromatic. अच्छा when compared to aldehyde, aromatic ketones are less reactive. Again when compared to aldehyde, aromatic ketones are less reactive. देखो अच्छा इसमें रेजोनेंस नहीं है, देखो in this compound having no resonance है, here possibility there electron deficiency का, now there is no resonance है because single bond में resonance नहीं होता है. Definitely it is a more stable than aromatic aldehyde, more reactive than aromatic aldehyde, but here resonance structure is possibility there. अच्छा which is more reactive than ketone, ketone में plus I group increases, right? अच्छा when compared this both are minus I groups only, both rings में resonance structure is possibility there. External conjugation is there, that's why less stable, it's less reactive. अच्छा देखो the order of boiling point of the following, already previous video we discussed amides, carboxylic acids, ketones and aldehydes, second option only, ketones and aldehydes, right? Sure. The order of reactivity of aromatic aldehydes and ketones are, अच्छा phenyl acetaldehyde है, benzaldehyde है, S2-phenyl, correct? Phenyl acetaldehyde అంటే ఇవి, phenyl అంటే C, अच्छा C6H5 CH2 CH, अच्छा benzaldehyde అంటే C6H5 CH, अच्छा S2-phenyl అంటే C6H5 CO CH3. ఇది కదా ఆర్డర్, ఇంతకుముందు ప్రీవియస్ డిస్కస్ చేసిన ఆర్డరే కదా ఇది, ప్రీవియస్ డిస్కస్ చేసిన ఆర్డరే కదా, benzaldehyde, देखो phenyl acetaldehyde because phenyl acetaldehyde the resonance structure is less number only, because between electron deficient carbon there is no resonance. देखो now chemical properties of the carbonyl compounds है, अच्छा we can discuss addition reactions first. Nucleophilic addition on nucleophilic addition. Now reduction means Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Mischel reduction is important reaction. HI red phosphorus reduction reactions are very important. Oxidation, Tollens reagent, Fehling solution, Schiff's reagent. I think in class also we discussed all these reagents. Tollens, Fehling solution, Schiff's reagent. Canniger-Roche reaction. अच्छा alloform reaction है, these all I think we discuss separately, almost all properties are we discuss separately, and all condensation. So main chemical properties are we are going to discuss in aldehydes and ketones are addition reactions है, reduction है, oxidation है, Canniger-Roche reaction है, aldol condensation है, alloform reaction है, because NCERT what are given the same we are going to discuss. अच्छा addition reaction, now only we discuss nucleophilic addition reactions का reactivity order है, aldehydes are more reactive than this one. अच्छा addition of hydrogen cyanide, Addition of Grignard reagent. Anyhow, in alcohol chapter, we are going to discuss Grignard reagent. Formaldehyde, primary alkaline, acetaldehyde, secondary alkaline, acetone, the tertiary alkaline. There we are going to discuss in alkaline chapter. Addition of alcohol. I think at the time of biomolecule glucose also, I said hemiacetal formation and acetal formation. How hemiacetal and acetal are formed with alcohol with the diacetyl. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives, hydrazine, phenyl hydroxylamine, 2,4-DNP, etc. So addition reaction, we are going to discuss all these reagents. Addition reaction. For the kind of information, we know the order of reactivity, aldehydes are more reactive than compared to ketone in all addition reactions. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. We require a stronger basic medium. Hydrogen cyanide or methane nitride, pharma nitride. This is a common name, sir. We have to maintain pH is equal to 9 to 10. You have to maintain a high basic medium. Otherwise, you can directly go for NaCN also. So, but mild acidic condition में reaction नहीं होता है. That's why you can go for high medium. So, क्या होगा यहाँ? What is the mechanism? Simple thing is. In the presence of a strong base, HCN is a weak acid. Like NaCN is a strong base. A conjugate base is very strong. NaCN. So in the presence of strong base, partial positive charge is carbon, negative charge is oxygen. So nucleophile attack at the center where electron is less. So we can this is cyanohydrin formation. O minus and CN and sorry. Here hydrogen. Here hydrogen I am writing, no problem. And followed by acidic medium, hydrolysis. क्या बनेगा? H. अच्छा formaldehyde मैंने acetaldehyde suppose take an example for acetaldehyde. Take an example for acetaldehyde. Because this best example है acetaldehyde cyanohydrin is formed. This is cyanohydrin. These are called cyanohydrin formation. Acha, followed by hydrolysis is lactic acid, because so many times asked in optical isomerism. This undergoes hydrolysis whenever organic compound containing CN group. Complete hydrolysis gives a COH. Partial hydrolysis gives amide. Matlab, the compound obtained is nothing but lactic acid. Lactic acid. Lactic acid is optically active compound. Which containing asymmetric D-lactic acid and lactic acid. Sometimes they may ask extincted question. A chintra to stop check followed by hydrolysis is lactic acid, which containing asymmetric carbon. 4 groups are different. एक methyl group है, एक OH है, एक hydrogen है, एक COH है. Lactic acid है. D-lactic acid and lactic acid. Cyanohydrins are formed. You have to maintain pH is equal to 9 to 10. Otherwise, these reactions are very suspectable. pH is equal to 9 to 10. Strong basic medium. NaCN. अच्छा formaldehyde के लिए okay, but acetaldehyde के लिए strong basic medium required. Because electron releasing group increase the electron acetone carbon है, nucleophile attack मुश्किल होता है. So you have to maintain high basic medium. It is very easy to add. So like formaldehyde also, acetaldehyde also, acetone also similar kind of reactions. Even glucose also we discussed that. Glucose react with HCN. Cyanohydrin form conformation of carbonyl group in a glucose. Acetaldehyde also more or less similar equation only. Cyanohydrin. Acetone also gives a cyanohydrin. This further undergoes what I said. This further undergoes hydrolysis. Excess of hydrolysis में क्या होता है? ये CN group converted into COH. This क्या what we called as lactic acid. D-lactic acid and lactic acid. Also more or less acetone also same reaction. Sodium bisulfite. अच्छा, distinguish between ketones and aldehydes है, like among ketone alpha ketones only give this type of test, but not all ketones है. अच्छा, sodium bisulfite तो, अच्छा, one of the reason why cyclic structure of glucose proposed, if aldehyde group is free, definitely react with sodium bisulfite, but open chain structure of glucose discarded because glucose cannot react with sodium bisulfite. That's why open chain structure discarded, ring chain structure is proposed. अच्छा देखो, formaldehyde sodium bisulfite will be formed, like acetaldehyde also sodium bisulfite is formed, addition the compound acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite is formed, but all ketones should not give the test only. Of course, further it undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of acid medium, base medium, original compounds are regenerated. So easily you can this test usually useful for separation of aldehydes and ketones also, isolation of aldehydes ketones. अच्छा, addition reactions we are going to discuss in phenol chapter. Primary alcohol gives formaldehyde, secondary alcohol gives aldehydes, tertiary alcohol gives ketones. अच्छा, now we are going to discuss, otherwise don't worry, because in Grignard reagent one video also we can check. In Grignard reagent video I discussed clearly Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, with acetaldehyde, with acetone, clearly I mentioned what is obtained. मिथाइल अल्कोहल, like देखो, अच्छा, मिथेनॉल formaldehyde when react with Grignard reagent when react with Grignard reagent देखो, अच्छा, कार्बन पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ऑक्सीजन पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज. अच्छा, ये देखो, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज है ना, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज, मेटल का पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. नेगेटिव चार्ज वेयर कैन अटैक न्यूक्लियोफाइल, वेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी लेस. अच्छा, MgBr कहां अटैक करेगा? ऑक्सीजन के साथ. अच्छा, वन एडिशन कंपाउंड फॉर्म HO MgBr, अच्छा HCS. अच्छा, फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस है, फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस. देखो हाइड्रोलिसिस में क्या करेगा, हाइड्रोलिसिस में क्या करेगा, H+ and OH में. देखो फॉर्माल्डेहाइड में CH3 CH2 OH प्राइमरी अल्कोहल बनेगा. चलो, now in the presence of hydrogen you put methyl group है, CH3 C double bond OH with the Grignard same reaction है, with the Grignard reagent है. Similar reactions है, CH3 COMgBr CH3H. अच्छा, followed by hydrolysis means you get secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols है, like secondary alcohols. अच्छा, यहाँ से H+, यहाँ से OH. So secondary alcohol. And simple applications are already we discussed one Grignard reagent video. We can check it if you have any doubt. So any students have any doubt, you can go for Grignard reagent video. We discuss all applications of Grignard reagent. अच्छा, secondary alcohol gives aldehydes, whereas tertiary alcohol gives ketone. Tertiary alcohol में क्या बनेगा, यहाँ से एक और हाइड्रोजन है. Tertiary में instead of hydrogen one more methyl group है. If suppose one more methyl group over here, this is tertiary alcohols only. So these applications already we studied in a Grignard reagent one particular video also available, you can check it, Grignard reagent video. देखो फॉर्म सिंपल है, फॉर्माल्डेहाइड gives प्राइमरी अल्कोहल है, हायर aldehydes gives सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल है, कीटोन gives tertiary अल्कोहल है. अच्छा, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड डेरिवेटिव्स आल्सो gives tertiary अल्कोहल्स. फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड derivatives of carboxylic acid, derivatives of carboxylic acid except amides, carboxylic acids gives tertiary alcohol except amides, except amides, except amides, except amides, except amides. So addition of Grignard reagent already na we studied the same thing repeating. देखो followed by hydrolysis है, we get primary alcohol. And देखो in case of acetaldehyde है, any higher aldehydes है, we get secondary alcohols है. Similarly, general equations only they give it secondary alcohols है. In case of ketone है followed by hydrolysis है, we get tertiary alcohols. The same what statement is given, they provided equations only. When primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. So order of reactivity, this is formaldehyde is more reactive than acetaldehyde than acetone. Already discussed that. Because plus I group increases, reactivity decreases. Achha, all these are example for what nucleophilic addition reactions. After previously addition of HCN also, addition of sodium bisulfite also, Grignard reagent also, all these are example for addition reaction. What kind of addition reaction? Nucleophilic addition reactions. अच्छा with ammonia. देखो hexamethylene tetraamine, urotropine. Previously asked one NEET examination. What is the use of urotropine? देखो used also given. Used as internal urinary antiseptic and also used in production of plastics and drugs. अच्छा very important है. Formaldehyde react with ammonia क्या बनेगा? Hexamethylene tetraamine, urotropine. What is the use of urotropine? Previously asked है. Used as internal urinary antiseptic है. Urinary antiseptic. This is previously asked question only. अच्छा नोट करो hexamethylene tetraamine formaldehyde. अच्छा acetaldehyde is simple byproduct only. अच्छा this is a for your kind of question, this are nitration gives what? RDX hai. I think you remember. This are nitration gives RDX hai. Nitration of this compound, we get RDX. Royal demolition explosive compound. Royal demolition explosive compound है. अभी but RDX है. So this urotropine undergoes nitration, we get RDX है. They ask my number of CC bonds in. अच्छा urotropine number of CC bonds 0. Number of CN bonds are 12. You can count number of CN bonds are 12. Number of CH bonds are 12. Number of CH bonds are 12. Number of CC bonds are 0. Number of CN bonds are 12. Number of CH bonds are 12. अच्छा acetaldehyde react with ammonia, just addition compound acetaldehyde ammonia, because this is also an example for nucleophilic addition. अच्छा ये कैसा लिखना, नाइट्रोजन को कैसा लिखना आपको? HNH2. देखो NH2 माइनस है H प्लस, देखो कैसा ऑक्सीजन के साथ H प्लस ऐड करेगा, कार्बन के साथ NH2. acetaldehyde ammonia is formed directly. Acetaldehyde ammonia. अच्छा followed by delta, remove of water molecule. Followed by delta, but delta case is not given in all textbooks. Acetaldehyde ammonia is a compound. Followed by delta means alpha elimination takes place. Sorry, this group है, यहाँ से OH group है, यहाँ से hydrogen है. Alpha elimination. Same carbon में groups are eliminated is called alpha elimination. Two different carbon may eliminated, that is called beta elimination. OH from here, hydrogen from there on. Acetaldehyde, but the major compound is acetaldehyde ammonia only. अच्छा acetone का different है, diacetone ammonia is formed. अच्छा this undergoes, that is the cyclic trimer है. देखो MC question है. Addition of HCN to acetaldehyde use. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Addition of HCN is cyanohydrin. That is acetaldehyde का अपने acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Acetone to acetone cyanohydrin. Similar reactions only. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin will be formed. Tertiary alcohol given by Grignard reagent with अच्छा एस्टोन అయితే సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్, ఫార్మాల్ అయితే ప్రైమరీ ఆల్కహాల్, अच्छा एस्टोन అయితేనేమో టెర్షియరీ ఆల్కహాల్, अच्छा ఆల్డిహైడ్ హైయర్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ నథింగ్ బట్ సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్స్ ఓన్లీ, రైట్. अच्छा अंदर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है. अच्छा एडिशन ऑफ अल्कोहल हेमी एसिटॉल and एसिटॉल are formed. Formation of हेमी एसिटॉल and एसिटॉल are formed. देखो कैसा है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हेमी एसिटॉल and एसिटॉल है, लाइक एसिटाल्डिहाइड react with methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, suppose ethyl alcohol in the presence of dry HCl. अच्छा ये वाला भी न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन होनी ना, व्हाट वी डिस्कसिंग ऑल आर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन होनी. अच्छा देखो अल्कोऑक्साइड आया ना H+, कहाँ ऐड करेगा अल्कोऑक्साइड कार्बन के साथ है. अच्छा CH3COH, देखो OH OC2H5, ये वाला ये हेमी एसिटॉल है, हेमी एसिटॉल है, हेमी एसिटॉल है, हेमी एसिटॉल है. अच्छा फॉलोड बाय 1 मोल मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ इथाइल अल्कोहल है, रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है. अच्छा ये अल्कोऑक्साइड है H+ है, यहां से OH माइनस एलिमिनेट करेगा, OH माइनस एलिमिनेट करेगा, एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन है. अच्छा अब देखो क्या बनेगा, अब CH3CO2, here also O2C2 OC2H5. अच्छा है, this is acetone. Aldehydes react with the monohydric alcohol in the presence of dry hydrogen fluoride to yield alkoxy alcohol intermediate, hemiacetal, known as hemiacetal. Further react with alcohol to give jump dialkoxy, nothing but acetal, nothing but acetal. How hemiacetal or acetal is formed, right? अच्छा hemiacetal है. अच्छा given equation I think देखो ये I think यहाँ C=1, right? In the presence of C2H5O. अच्छा C यहाँ OC2H5 hemiacetal. अच्छा one more molecule of C2H5, like here OC2H5, here R dash, they consider R dash OH, no? That's why RO C acetal hemiacetal, right? Acetal and hemiacetal. What is given previous equations are same equations. Ketones react with ethylene glycol, be cyclic. Ketone के लिए cyclic है. React with ethylene glycol under similar condition to form cyclic product known as ethylene glycoketones. अच्छा एक एग्जांपल देखो ऐसा. अच्छा ऐसा करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ऐसा करो R C double bond R dash और R C double bond को ऐसा करो HOCH2 इथिल ग्लाइकॉल है. अच्छा यहाँ से रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट करो यहाँ से. अच्छा प्रोडक्ट ऐसा बनो RCR, अच्छा OCH2 CH, दिस इज साइक्लिक कीटोन्स. देखो साइक्लिक कीटोन्स, this is cyclic ketones. देखो ये वाला cyclic ketones. But in case of aldehyde, it does aliphatic only. In case of ketones, cyclic ketones are formed. These are also example for nucleophilic addition reaction. Right? Nucleophilic addition reaction. अच्छा कीटोन है, इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल है, रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, we get this equation. इसका साइक्लिक कीटोन्स बोलते हैं, साइक्लिक कीटोन्स. अच्छा, whenever acetols and ketols are hydrolyzed with aqueous mineral acids, the base of acidic medium, again we getting back aldehydes and ketones. Like sodium bisulfate also same. The acid or base तरह hydrolyze करते we get original compound. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives. This is very important. These are called addition elimination reactions. Addition elimination reactions. But the NCERT or a tablet form is given. You can see the tablet form. देखो, these are mild nucleophiles. This is mild nucleophiles. These are mild nucleophiles. Ammonia derivatives are mild nucleophiles. अच्छा, mild nucleophile very difficult to attack. Na? Very difficult to attack. Na? Then what we'll do? We go for protonation. Protonation. Protonation means ये देखो carbon oxygen which is more electronegative oxygen. अच्छा, instead of this typical weak nucleophile, strong nucleophile easily can attack. Easily can attack only. So this is not nucleophile. So instead of this, what we'll do? C double bond O and H plus oxygen can donate a pair of electrons to hydrogen. अच्छा, make a bond C double bond OH. Now it will become weak only. Then what next step में क्या होता है? Next step में हमने क्या करना? So ये electrons यहाँ, now ये electron deficiency है. Otherwise nucleophile, weak nucleophile cannot attack the carbon, electron deficiency carbon, because plus I group reactive electron deficiency carbon increases, weak nucleophile cannot be attacked easily. So first we can do what? Protonation. That's why these are taking place at acidic medium only, not basic medium, because we are studying about the properties, but they are asking the conditions only. In a completed examination, they will ask the condition. Why you should maintain acidic medium? Because acidic medium में protonation है, acidic medium में weak होता है. So acidic medium में because of this carbon is more electron deficiency, can nucleophile can easily attack them. This is called addition elimination reactions only. Right? Okay, we can discuss what are this in tabular form. We can discuss one by one. One by one. Acha, what once again you can check it, what this reagent, what they call as Z. Once again you check it. अच्छा देखो, NH2Z. देखो NH2Z. What is a Z? Z is NH2 hydrogen. Z is OH hydroxylamine. Instead of Z, what we are going to substitute? That is our problem. अच्छा, Z is H is nothing but ammonia, na? अच्छा, NH2Z na? Here I am writing. Previously, what the mild nucleophile, what we call as NH2Z. अच्छा, Z is nothing but what? H and ammonia नहीं करा. Ammonia के acidic में नहीं आवश्यक ले. Carbonyl derivative acidic में नहीं आवश्यक ले directly. Imine. First step na acetaldehyde react with ammonia, acetaldehyde ammonia. Further heating అయితే మనకి aldehyde form అవుతుందని చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం. Imine form అవుతుంది. अच्छा, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇంపార్టెంట్ R అనేది R అంటే amine, RNH2 అంటాం. अच्छा, C double bond को NHR. Direct అంటే డైరెక్ట్ చూడండి, అంటే ఎలా డైరెక్ట్ గా aldehyde గాని ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ CH3 C double bond H. So addition elimination reaction. Suppose Z ఏదన్నా ఉన్నాయి, whatever may be Z may be hydrogen, Z may be alkyl group, Z may be NH2, Z may be 2,4-DN, whatever may be. अच्छा, C double bond वो NZ फॉर्म होता है. Z प्लेस లో H పెడితే NH, Z प्लेस లో R పెడితే NR. अच्छा, कीटोन కావచ్చు, ఆల్డిహైడ్ కావచ్చు. రిమూవ్ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ NZ ఫార్మ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ H పెట్టాం కాబట్టి H వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ R పెట్టాం కాబట్టి R వచ్చింది. రైట్? अच्छा, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाइड्रोक्साइलेमिन बोलते हैं. तो देखो, इसको हमने Z प्लेस में बोलते हैं हाइड्रोक्साइलेमिन अंटावा. చూడండి ఇలా NH2OH is called hydroxylamine అంటావా. ఆక్సేన్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. హైడ్రాక్సిల్ అమీన్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆక్సేన్స్ అంటాం. ఆక్సేన్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. देखो oxanes. Oxanes we studied, this is a where you studied oxanes in geometrical isomerism में sin and anti है. अच्छा గుర్తుందా sin and anti ఇలా గుర్తు ఇలా చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం. sin and anti ఇక్కడ R తీసుకొని హైడ్రోజన్ తీసుకొని अच्छा n ఒక లోన్ పేరు ఒక OH अच्छा HOH సేమ్ సైడ్ ఉంటే sin అని geometrical isomerism లో HOH ఆపోజిట్ ఉంటే anti అని చెప్పుకున్నాం. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కాంపౌండ్ దీని గురించి కూడా అడగడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. అది ఇట్ కెన్ ఎగ్జిబిట్ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఐసోమెరిజం అంటే జామెట్రికల్ ఐసోమెరిజం. వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఐసోమెరిజం సిన్ అండ్ యాంటీ. అచ్చా హెచ్ అండ్ ఓహెచ్ సేమ్ సైడ్ సిన్ అంటాం, హెచ్ అండ్ ఓహెచ్ ఆపోజిషన్ అంటే యాంటీ అంటాం. సిన్ ఐసోమెరిజం సరే జామెట్రికల్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది టైప్ ఆఫ్ జామెట్రికల్ ఐసోమెరిజం సిన్ అండ్ యాంటీ ఐసోమెరిజం. ఆక్సైన్స్ అంటాం మనకి. ఇప్పుడు ఓహెచ్ అంటే ఓహెచ్ అంటే ఏంటి NH2OH జెడ్ ప్లేస్ లో OH హైడ్రాక్సైల్ ఎమిన్ అంటాం. ఇవన్నీ హైడ్రాక్సైల్ ఎమిన్ అంటాం. అచ్చా జెడ్ ప్లేస్ లో ఇంకో NH2 పెడితే హైడ్రోజన్ అంటాం. Hydroxyl amine gives oxanes, hydrazine, hydrazone, phenyl hydrazone. Addition elimination reaction simple है. देखो hydrazine है, very simple funda. CH3 C double bond OH. We can add hydrazine है. अच्छा Z place लो NH2 పెట్టాను. Addition elimination reaction, removal of water molecule. But pH is a remove pH is a less moderate acidic medium. Don't go for strong acidic medium, right? Moderate acidic medium only. देखो this compound hydrazone form. Hydrazine converted into hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazine. అంటే ఇక్కడ NH6H5 పెట్టదు Z ప్లేస్ లో. ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ కదా, నేను ఇక్కడ Z ప్లేస్ లో NH6H5 పెట్టాను అనుకోండి, ఫినైల్ హైడ్రోజన్ అవుతుంది కదా. Phenyl hydrogen gives phenyl hydrazone. देखो phenyl hydrogen gives phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrogen converted into phenyl hydrazone. अच्छा only thing difference ఏంది, ఇవన్నీ కూడా కామన్ చూడండి. Z ప్లేస్ లో H వస్తుంది, R వస్తుంది, OH వస్తుంది, NH2 వస్తుంది. అంటే మనకి ఏమైతే పెడితే అది Z ప్లేస్ లో ఏది పెడితే అది రావాలి. అక్కడ Z ప్లేస్ ఇది పెట్టాం కదా, ఇదే వస్తుంది Z ప్లస్. ఫినైల్ హైడ్రోజన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ఫినైల్ హైడ్రోజోన్, హైడ్రోజన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ హైడ్రోజోన్, pyroxene కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ఆక్సోన్స్. This you need to, these are called addition elimination reactions only. अच्छा very important है 2,4 DNP. 2,4 DNP test for carbonyl group. If organic compound containing carbonyl group when react with 2,4 DNP, orange red crystals are formed. Identification of carbonyl group by this is identification of carbonyl group. 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine, Brod's reagent అంటాం. Brod's reagent, which of the following is Brod's reagent అంటాం. Phenyl hydrazone కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. హైడ్రోజన్ అవుతుంది. హైడ్రోజన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ హైడ్రోజోన్ అవుతుంది. hydrazine. You underline this one. Hydrazine always convert into hydrazone. Hydrazine convert into hydrazone. సెమీ కార్బోజైడ్ అంటాం. జెడ్ ప్లేస్ లో ఈ గ్రూప్ పెడితే సెమీ కార్బోజైడ్ అంటాం. యాక్చువల్లీ సెమీ కార్బోజైడ్ क्या सेमी कार्बोजैड NH2 C double bond को NH2. अच्छा रिमूव सेम similar reactions only. Semi carboxyl converted into semi carbazole. Similar reactions. Semi carboxyl converted into semi carbazole. Similar reactions. All these are addition element reaction example. All are examples. This Brod's reagent is very important. 2,4 DNP. You can remember that is identification of carbonyl group in organic chemistry, in organic compounds. Identification of carbonyl group in organic compounds. Identification of carbonyl group in organic compounds. अच्छा प्रोडक्ट नेम इमाइना డబుల్ బాండ్ NH ఈమీన్ ఈన్ ప్లస్ ఎమైన్ అది సింపుల్ మీకు ఏం తెలియదు అనుకోండి ఇక్కడ ఈన్ ప్లస్ ఎమైన్ ఇనామిన్స్ అంట ఇనామిన్స్ అంటే మనకి ఏం చేస్తారు రిమూవ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇమీన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఇమీన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అచ్చా లిథియం గివ్స్ ఇమైన్స్ అంటాం NH గ్రూప్ ఇమీన్ NH నుండి ఎమైట్ అంట రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్స్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఎమైన్స్ లిథియం ఫార్మ్స్ ఇమైన్స్ అంట अच्छा क्या इस्टॉला एमी इस्टॉला कंप्लीट हाइड्रोलिसिस అంటే एमी इस्टॉला इस्टॉला एसिटॉल फॉर्म ट्राइसियल తో ఇథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ గాని ఏదైనా సరే ఎసిటల్ ఫార్మ్ అవుతుంది addition of the ethyl alcohol to estol in the presence of acyl followed by hydrolysis with aqueous mineral acid अच्छा फाइनल గా మళ్ళీ ఎసిటల్ ఫార్మ్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ డైల్యూట్ యాసిడ్ తో గాని మళ్ళీ రీజనరేట్ అవుతుంది ఒరిజినల్ కాంపౌండ్ రీజనరేట్ अच्छा followed by mineral acid with aqueous mineral acid ఇవ్వకపోతే కనుక ఎసిటల్ ఇస్ కాంపౌండ్ ఫర్దర్ గా మనకి followed by ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి which is the form and followed by hydrolysis with aqueous mineral acid రీజనరేషన్ మన ఎలా మనకి యాసిడ్ గాని సారీ ఆల్డిహైడ్ గాని కీటోన్ గాని రీజనరేట్ అవ్వాలంటే దిస్ ప్రొసీజర్ అంటే హైడ్రోలిసిస్ జరగదుగా జరిగేది మనకి ఎలిమినేషన్ రియాక్షన్ కదా ట్రైసిల్ ఇథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఎసిటల్ ఫామ్ అవ్వాలంటే
ఇప్పుడు ఎడిషన్ చేస్తే ఎమిస్టాల్ ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి
ఎమిస్టాల్ తర్వాత లేదు ఆప్షన్ ఎమిస్టాల్ జరగాలి తర్వాత ఎసిటల్ జరగాలి బట్ దాని హైడ్రోలిసిస్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేది అగైన్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ కీటోన్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ కీటోన్ ఉంది అచ్చా ఫాలోడ్ బై యాక్వస్ మినరల్ యాసిడ్ లేదు కదా ట్రైసిల్ ఉంటే ట్రైసిల్ వరకు ఉంటే కనుక మనకి ఫామ్ అయ్యేది ఎమిస్టాల్ గాని ఎసిటల్ ఫాలోడ్ బై హైడ్రోలిసిస్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి మీకు ఒరిజినల్ కాంపౌండ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది Now reduction reactions. अच्छा reduction मतलब generally aldehydes on reduction gives a alcohols. Hydrogen in the presence of nickel కానీ అది Clemmensen reduction అయితే alkane వస్తుంది Wolff-Fishkin reduction అయితే alkane వస్తుంది देखो reduction क्या NCERT में क्या दिया unsaturated aldehydes or ketone can be reduced to unsaturated alcohols without affecting unsaturation. This reduction takes place in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. अच्छा whether lithium aluminum hydride sodium borohydride cannot affect the one particular class we discussed about lithium aluminum hydride without affecting condition alpha beta unsaturation మాత్రమే affect beta hydride లోనే affect అవుతుంది otherwise there is no effect in lithium aluminum hydride also so lithium aluminum hydride reduction but देखो sodium borohydride reduces both CW1O and CW1C अच्छा हाइड्रोजनेशन తీసుకుంటే కంప్లీట్ గా రెడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది మనకి బట్ లిథియం అల్యూమినియం హైడ్రైడ్ ఓన్లీ కెన్ రెడ్యూస్ వాట్ ఎట్ ది బీటా అరైల్ కాంపౌండ్స్ మాత్రమే బీటా ఆల్ఫా బీటా అన్సాచురేషన్ కాంపౌండ్ మాత్రం రెడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది देखो प्रोटोनाल्डिहाइड है देखो प्रोटोनाल्डिहाइड है कॉमन नेम अच्छा इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ रिडक्शन చేస్తే లిథియం అల్యూమినియం హైడ్రైడ్ తీసుకుంటే నేను వితౌట్ ఎఫెక్టింగ్ డబుల్ బాండ్ CHO converted into primary. This primary alkyl oxidation gives aldehyde. Aldehyde reduction gives primary alkyl, vice versa. So without affecting double bond. Therefore, without affecting double bond. Now, sodium borohydride also without affecting double bond. But in case of hydrogenation, with effect of double bond. Like lithium aluminum hydride కానీ sodium మనకి particular video we have a reagent book you can check it once sodium borohydride lithium aluminum hydride we discussed but hydrogenation means we know Sabatius-Anderson reduction alkene converted into alkane converted into alkane also Sabatius-Anderson reduction अच्छा hydrogenation in the presence of nickel అయితే देखो hydrogen in the presence of nickel అయితే చూడండి కంప్లీట్ గా డబుల్ బాండ్ కూడా సింగిల్ బాండ్ అయిపోతుంది अच्छा వితౌట్ ఎఫెక్టింగ్ అన్సాచురేషన్ అయితే మనకి బెటర్ రీజన్ లిథియం అల్యూమినియం బెటర్ రిడ్యూసింగ్ ఏజెంట్ లిథియం అల్యూమినియం अच्छा కంప్లీట్ గా ఆల్కహాల్ గా సాచురేటెడ్ ఆల్కహాల్ కన్వర్ట్ అవ్వాలంటే వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ హైడ్రోజనేషన్ अच्छा सोडियम बोराइड स्पेशली फॉर रिड्यूसिंग ओनली aldehydes and ketones But lithium aluminum, so many other properties also there. Sodium borohydride is a reducing agent, the specific reducing agent for aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. Acha, ketones also reduce it to secondary alcohol with aluminum isopropoxide. MPV reduction anta, opposite opinion oxidation anta. But I think so. It is not given NCERT textbook, but opinion oxidation ki reversible MPV reduction anta. MPV reduction lo at least aluminum isopropoxide. Aluminum isopropoxide. देख लीजिए. A ketone converted into secondary alcohols. अच्छा ये reagent है aluminum isopropoxide है. Aluminum isopropoxide है. अच्छा ये reversible reaction opinion oxidation अंटा मन. Reversible reaction opinion oxidation अंटा. Oxidation reduction is vice versa. Oxidation gives this compound, reduction gives the other compound. Vice versa. अच्छा देखो ये desired secondary alcohols are formed. Ketone converted into secondary alcohol. Ketone converted into secondary alcohol. अच्छा reagent you remember. This is called MPV reduction anta. Opposite reaction is called opinion oxidation anta. अच्छा మీకు alcohol లో వస్తుంది oxidation property. Opinion oxidation anta. Vice versa is called opinion oxidation anta. This vice versa is called opinion oxidation anta. Opinion oxidation anta. Reversible reaction opinion oxidation anta. This is called MPV reduction anta. अच्छा देखो opinion oxidation. This reduction can be regarded as a reverse of opinion oxidation. Right? Opinion oxidation, MPV reduction. But information ke liye. But previously they never asked these questions in NEET examination. MPV reduction, opinion oxidation. But G examination they may ask the questions. अच्छा reverse of MPV reduction nothing but opinion oxidation. अच्छा देखो ये वाला क्या है Clemmensen reduction है full friction reduction. अच्छा we already discussed Clemmensen reduction, full friction reduction, conditions also, limitations also we discussed it. Reduction. अच्छा reduction में क्या है CW1 को convert into CH2. What are Clemmensen reduction है full friction reduction. ये Clemmensen reduction है full friction reduction. अच्छा जो जिंक amalgam concentration scale is called Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. अच्छा देखो NH2 in the presence of base KOH गाने glycerol गाने full friction reduction. अच्छा I think you remember Clemmensen reduction when we use it. अच्छा if acid sensitive reaction we should not use Clemmensen reduction. If acid sensitive reaction, if acid sensitive reaction, we should not use this reaction, but base sensitive reaction we should not use unification reaction. Because देखो यहाँ ये acid हो ना, यहाँ base है, base sensitive के लिए. If this is not used, in base sensitive reaction. अच्छा ये acid sensitive అంటే ఏంటి base sensitive అంటే ఏంటి medium చూడండి acidic medium. For example నేను ఇలాంటి గ్రూప్ తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి CH3 CHOH CH2 CHO ఇలాంటి గ్రూప్ తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి. సపోజ్ జింక్ అమాల్గమ్ HCl యూజ్ చేస్తే अच्छा no doubt CHO group CH3 గా మారిపోతుంది. CW1 को CH3 అవుతుంది no doubt. But at the same time this is acid sensitive. ఎందుకు acid sensitive? Medium acidic medium. So oxygen can donate a pair of electrons to this one. अच्छा OH2 plus weak nucleophile అవుతుంది. OH plus weak nucleophile అవుతుంది. weak nucleophile అవుతుంది OH2 plus. अच्छा easily remove water molecule. కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ ఫామ్ అయినప్పుడు హై టెంపరేచర్ దగ్గర removal of hydrogen, because at the beginning of the equation we add H plus one acidic medium, removal of hydrogen. అచ్చా ఆల్కిన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్న ఆల్కిన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి యాసిడ్ సెన్సిటివ్ అంటే ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్ లో NH2 గ్రూప్ కానీ OH గ్రూప్ కానీ ఉంటే వి షుడ్ నాట్ యూజ్ క్లెమిసిన్ రిడక్షన్. అలానే ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్ లో బేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ డీహైడ్రో హాలోజినేషన్, హాలోజన్ ఆటమ్స్ కనుక ఉంటే డీహైడ్రో హాలోజన్, బికాజ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ బేస్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్, డీహైడ్రోజనేషన్ హ్యాపెన్, డీహైడ్రో హాలోజినేషన్. సో లైక్ ఇక్కడ OH ప్లస్ Cl ఉందనుకోండి, యూ షుడ్ నాట్ యూజ్ ఉల్ఫిషన్ రిడక్షన్. OH ప్లస్ Cl కానీ Br కానీ ఉందనుకోండి, యూ షుడ్ నాట్ యూజ్ ఉల్ఫిషన్ రిడక్షన్. అచ్చా కామన్లీ వాట్ ఇస్ ఉల్ఫిషన్ క్లెమిసిన్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద కామన్ is C+1O changes into CH2 commonly C+1O changes to CH2, but some condition when we should not use clemizine reduction is acid sensitive reaction where you should not use acid sensitive groups and organic emission of NH2 group OH group. ఈ గ్రూప్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వాటర్ యూజ్ చేయదు, ఎలిమినేషన్ రియాక్షన్ జరిగిపోతుంది. అలానే బేస్ సెన్స్ డీహైడ్రో హాలోజినేషన్, హాలోజన్స్ కనుక ఉంటే ఈ గ్రూప్ యూజ్ చేయదు. రిమైనింగ్ ఎనీవన్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్. క్లెమిసిన్ రిడక్షన్, ఉల్ఫిషన్ రిడక్షన్. Clemizine reduction, ulfishin reduction. I think we discussed one particular class. Acha HI red phosphorus again alkane is formed. చెప్పుకున్నామని aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid esters alcohols HI red phosphorus ultimately give alkanes. This is also one video we discussed, one lecture we discussed about reduction reactions of alk. That's why I said if you are very familiar in GOC, general organic chemistry, this seems very easy, just revision only for you. CH2, all this clemizine, whatever may be clemizine reduction. This is called clemizine reduction. Same ulfishin reduction also same conversion hai, देखो, but reagent ही change होगा, देखो पहले एडिशन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन है, देखो वीक न्यूक्लियोफाइल के लिए हमने डिस्कस किया एडिशन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन. यहां से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट करेगा, अच्छा हीट करेंगे तो N2 मॉलिक्यूल बाहर जाएंगे, रिमूवल ऑफ N2 मॉलिक्यूल है. अच्छा अगेन CH2 बनेगा. अच्छा एनीहाउ C+1 will convert into CH2, there is no change on. अच्छा oxidation of aldehydes and ketones, अच्छा for example Tollens reagent है, Fehling solution है, mostly aldehydes and ketones है. In glucose also reduced sugars we discussed है. Haloform reaction also nothing but oxidation reactions only. We already discussed all this just I am reminded you just what we discussed in previous classes only. Aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid, like nitric acid gaani, potassium permanganate oxidizing agent ఇవన్నీ కూడా. మైల్డ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ అంటే మనకి Tollens reagent, Fehling solution. మైల్డ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్, ఇది స్ట్రాంగ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్. HNO3 గానీ, పొటాషియం పర్మాంగనేట్ గానీ, పొటాషియం డైక్రోమేట్ గానీ, స్ట్రాంగ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్, there is no ambiguity. Directly whether aldehydes, ketones also undergoes oxidation gives corresponding carboxylic acid. Strong oxidizing, even ketone also. But a mild oxidizing agent like Tollens reagent, Fehling solution also oxides only aldehyde but not ketones. Ketone like exception case చెప్పుకున్నా, alpha hydroxy ketone can also reduce with Tollens reagent, Fehling solution because of tautomerase. अच्छा देखो, generally this reagent है strong oxidizing agent, you can use aldehyde, ketones both can oxidize, but even mild oxidizing agent also, like Tollens reagent and Fehling solution also oxidizes aldehydes into carboxylic acid, but not ketones. अच्छा ketones generally vigorous condition है, क्यों? CC bond है ketone में, aldehyde में CH bond है, CH bond cleavage very easy ना. अच्छा ये अच्छा CH bond cleavage very easy है, but in case of ketone suppose I can go for ketone है, अच्छा CC bond cleavage is difficult somehow when compared to CH bond. So ketone undergoes oxidation at vigorous conditions only, normal condition में नहीं होता है, only vigorous condition में होता है, right? carboxylic acid है. अच्छा, this what we call different. This will go for, we know, carbonyl group go with the lower alkyl group only. Lower alkyl groups only, right? This is called Puffer's rule అంటాం. మేము క్లాస్ లో చెప్పాను Puffer's rule అంటాం. Puffer's rule అంటాం. This is what is called Puffer's rule అంటాం. Puffer's rule అంటాం. Lower alkyl group. अच्छा, ये both are symmetrical కాబట్టి lower alkyl group. Carbonyl group will go. Carbonyl group will go along with lower alkyl group. Along with the lower alkyl group. Lower alkyl group. Along with lower alkyl groups. For example, CH3, COO1O, C2H. अच्छा, carbonyl group go along with lower alkyl group, right? मतलब 2 carbon acid is acetic acid है. अच्छा, here also 2 carbon acid is acetic acid. 2 moles of acetic acid. In above example given symmetry ना, symmetry, anywhere symmetry. एक 3 carbon acid है, RCH2COH है, एक RCOH है. But here different alkyl groups are given. Keto group always goes along with lower alkyl group. This is called Puffer's rule now. Under drastic condition only, vigorous condition only, this reaction will take place. Normal condition में मुश्किल होता है reaction. Right? Right. Cleavage, this is देखो Puffer's rule है. This is called Puffer's rule है. Rule during oxidation of unsymmetrical ketone, keto group always stay with the smaller alkyl group only. With the smaller alkyl group only. This is called Puffer's rule अंटाम. Right? अच्छा, एग्जाम्पल देखो. अच्छा, Puffer's rule में कैसे करना? 2 कार्बन एसिड एसिटिक एसिड है, 3 कार्बन एसिड प्रोपोनिक एसिड है. देखो, एक एसिटिक एसिड है, एक प्रोपोनिक एसिड है. तो 2 कार्बन एसिड है, देखो ये 2 कार्बन एसिड है, इन्होंने दिया 2 कार्बन एसिड है, 3 कार्बन एसिड है. Cleavage is like that. A suitable reagent which converts aldehydes into alcohols. Aldehyde alcohol and reducing agent. Lithium aluminum halide also, sodium borohydride also. अच्छा, saturation answers ఏం లేదు. Alcoholic ఏవొచ్చితే కాదు. And both A and B. Specific reagent है sodium borohydride, aldehyde ketone के लिए. Sodium borohydride only reduces aldehyde and ketones. But lithium aluminum, so many reducing agents are there. So many groups are reduced with lithium aluminum. We discussed one particular class, only lithium aluminum hydride. अच्छा, Puffer's rule ना. Puffer's rule में 2 carbon carboxylic acid और 3 carbon carboxylic acid. Because COO1 will go with along with the lower alkyl group. Lower alkyl group. Right? Lower alkyl group. देखो, which option? No, formic acid नहीं ना. Second option acetic acid. No. Third option है acetic acid or propanoic acid. Acetic acid, propanoic acid. Third option. अच्छा, this is very important है aldol condensation. Reaction due to alpha hydrogen. Nothing but aldol condensation है. Aldol condensation है, very important है aldol condensation है. Reaction due to alpha hydrogen, nothing but aldol condensation है. Reactions due to alpha hydrogen, nothing but aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. अच्छा देखो, first I will give the example so that it is very easy for you. अच्छा मैंने एसिटाल्डिहाइड लिखा, कंडेंसेशन ऑफ aldehydes है, एसिटाल्डिहाइड लिखा यहाँ in the presence of base OH minus, dilute NaOH or barium hydroxide in the presence of base. Now $1 million question is here, OH is the nucleophile of base. अच्छा suppose once again I am going for one more. Here formaldehyde in the presence of OH minus, here OH minus is nucleophile. Because the nucleophile attack at the center where electron is less. Nucleophile, ये nucleophile, but ये nucleophile नहीं, क्यों? Whenever methyl group is there, electron is increases, nucleophile attack is मुश्किल है. So instead of that, here nucleophile is acting like a base only. क्यों base? देखो this is electron withdrawing group है, this alpha carbon है. Alpha carbon में hydrogens are acidic hydrogens. The hydrogen which are adjacent to the electron withdrawing group is acidic hydrogens. Because electron withdrawing group withdraws the electrons. So electron is decreased, proton is come out very easily. Now क्या करेगा यहाँ से ये hydrogen को abstract करेगा base. Nucleophile simply attack, but base can abstract the proton. In remember aldol condensation में OH is acting like a base. Kennedy-Lewis reaction में OH is acting like a nucleophile only. The major difference है. Where is the base? Where is the nucleophile only? Now देखो यहाँ से क्या करेगा? आप देखो यहाँ से abstract करेगा, हमको क्या बनेगा? कार्बोनाइल बनेगा ना? You know minus M group stabilizes, increases. Stability of carbon ion increases. Stability of carbon ion increases. अच्छा, stability of carbon ion increases. So first step in reaction due to alpha hydrogen में aldol condensation में condition अंदर के लिखता हूँ. Aldol condensation condition है the compound should have at least one alpha hydrogen. The compound should have at least one alpha hydrogen because base is acting like a base means which can abstract the proton, which can accept the proton. Now this is added to one more molecule of acetaldehyde. Now it is acting like a nucleophile. Now it is added to one more molecule of acetaldehyde. One more molecule of acetaldehyde. One more molecule of acetaldehyde. देखो CH2 minus CH2. Now one more molecule of acetaldehyde. This is added to one more molecule of acetaldehyde. अब बनेगा देखो. अब बनेगा CH3 CH CH2 CH2 CH2. अच्छा यहाँ OH है, यहाँ O माइनस ना, यहाँ O माइनस ऐसे लिखा. Followed by hydrolysis, basic में जो hydrolysis थे, O minus become OH. This is followed by hydrolysis थे, O minus becomes OH. Now these reactions are carried out at high temperature in delta. Delta होता है. This is again you can apply Sahajoff rule. Again you apply Sahajoff rule. Remember, don't worry about CHO. अच्छा, this is suppose alpha carbon है, beta carbon है, beta carbon है. This is not IUPAC, just I can go for beta elimination. Because alpha carbon में OH eliminate होता है, beta carbon में hydrogen eliminate होता है. Where less number of hydrogen, that is according to Sahajoff rule most stable compound. अच्छा, इस कार्बन में लेस नंबर ऑफ है, यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेट करना. अच्छा, क्रूटनॉल लेयर फॉर्म होता है. क्रूटनॉल लेयर फॉर्म होता है. अच्छा, aldol condensation में फर्स्ट स्टेप इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बन आयन एंड देन दिस वन. अच्छा, without writing mechanism, I will tell you one simple funda. Without writing mechanism, this mechanism, I will write simple funda. What is the simple funda? अच्छा, first write one molecule of acetaldehyde. अच्छा, then second molecule also you can write. Second molecule को मैंने ऐसा लिखा. अच्छा, identify alpha carbon. Identify alpha carbon. This alpha carbon को directly यहाँ attach करो. Simple thing. This alpha carbon को directly यहाँ attach करो. Alpha carbon, not beta carbon. Alpha carbon को hydrogen यहाँ attach करो. खत्म हो गया. विदाउट रेडिंग मैकेनिज्म हो गए। अल्फा कार्बन क्या ऐसा डिसोसिएट करो, यहाँ आयनाइज करो ऐसा। सो देखो विदाउट रेडिंग CH3 CHOH, अच्छा CH2 CH2 followed by delta. Followed by delta means this alpha, beta, beta. Less number of hydrogen, you have to remove it. Then we get CH3. You can check it. Alkene formed is the most stable. Avuna kada check cheskondi because of we go for hyperconjugation. Or you know, external conjugation is there. Double bond sigma, C double bond over there, double bond. External conjugation is also there. That's why it is most stable. Two molecules of acetaldehyde, we get this is all condensation product. All condensation product only. 2 moles. Suppose I go for 2 moles of propanaldehyde. I can that also I can show you without reading mechanism. 2 moles of propanaldehyde. 2 moles of propanaldehyde. देखो, so first molecule of propanaldehyde I shall write like this. First molecule of propanaldehyde. अच्छा सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल को मैंने ऐसे अरेंज करूंगा, ऐसे अरेंज करूंगा। अच्छा some students have doubts sir ఎందుకు ఇలా రాశారు? నాకు ఆల్ఫా కార్బన్ కావాలి, బీటా కార్బన్ కావాల్సిన। देखो ये फंक्शन ग्रुप है, ये अल्फा ना ये बीटा, నాకు కావాల్సిన బీటా కార్బన్ కాదు ఆల్ఫా కార్బన్। ఆల్ఫా హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ స్టిక్ నాట్ బీటా హైడ్రోజన్స్। చాలా మంది జరిగే మిస్టేక్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ CH3 ని HCH2 గా రాస్తారు। CH3 CH2 CH ఆల్ఫా కార్బన్ కావాలి, ఆల్ఫా కార్బన్ హైడ్రోజన్ అటాచ్ చేయమన్నా నేను, బీటా కార్బన్ దగ్గర కాదు। అండ్ దెన్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఓవర్ హియర్ వితౌట్ రైటింగ్ మెకానిజం సింప్లీ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ CH3 CH2 CHOH। देखो I can write CHO sorry यहाँ CH3 यहाँ CH2 देखो now alpha beta you know elimination reactions are very simple. You have to follow the stage of rule. A alpha A beta less number దీనిలో ఉంది, ఎక్కడి నుంచి హైడ్రోజన్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేయండి అంటే ఆల్కిన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది। CH3 CH double bond CH3 CH2. This is most stable because I check the hyperconjugations are more. Actually, you have to eliminate here less number of hyperconjugation. You have to eliminate here because 2 beta carbon and 2 hydrogen 1 carbon. You have to remove this. अच्छा, ఇలా మనకి ఏ కాంపౌండ్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా ఆల్డర్ కండెన్సేషన్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. ఎనీ కాంపౌండ్ గివెన్ ఆల్డర్ కండెన్సేషన్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. देखो now I go for one more example है, later I can discuss one more example है। अच्छा एक बेंजोल्डिहाइड दिया, एक एसिटाल्डिहाइड दिया। अच्छा 2 molecule of acetone दिया whatever में भी, एक बेंजोल्डिहाइड दिया, एक बेंजोल्डिहाइड दिया, एक एसिटाल्डिहाइड दिया। अच्छा ये अल्फा कार्बन కాబట్టి నేను రాస్తాను। 2 products not possible over, only one product is possible because इसमें no alpha hydrogen. बेंजोल्डिहाइड లో no alpha hydrogen, బెంజాల్ని రీఅరేంజ్ చేసుకోలేదు, HC అలా రీఅరేంజ్ చేసుకోలేదు కాబట్టి ఒకటే ప్రొడక్ట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది బెంజాల్డిహైడ్ లో। దీన్ని స్మిత్ రియాక్షన్ అంటారు, స్మిత్ రియాక్షన్ అంటారు, క్లేజియన్ స్మిత్ అంటారు, దీన్ని క్లేజియన్ స్మిత్ రియాక్షన్ అంటాం, క్లేజియన్ స్మిత్ రియాక్షన్। అచ్చా ఐ థింక్ 2019 నీట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో అడిగినట్టున్నారు ఈ క్వశ్చన్, రైట్? ఎలానో చూద్దాం, ఇది చూడండి, ఈ ఆల్ఫా కార్బన్ ఇక్కడ అటాక్ చేస్తాం, హైడ్రోజన్ ఇక్కడ అటాక్ చేస్తాం, చిన్న మాలిక్యూల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది కదా, C6H5 CHOH CH2 CH2 చిన్న మాలిక్యూల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది చూడండి। రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఓవర్ హియర్ బికాజ్ దిస్ ఆల్ఫా నా బీటా, ఈ బీటా కన్నా హైడ్రోజన్ లేవు అసలు, ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాయి హైడ్రోజన్స్, ఫినైల్ అంటే హైడ్రోజన్ ఉండదు అసలు, బీటా దగ్గరే ఉన్నాయి హైడ్రోజన్స్। అచ్చా రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ వి గెట్ చిన్న మాలిక్యూల్ అంటాను, ఇక్కడ మిథైల్ ఉంటే ప్రోటోనాల్డిహైడ్ అంటాం, నేను చిన్న మాలిక్యూల్ అంటాం, చిన్న మాలిక్యూల్ అంటాం, చిన్న మాలిక్యూల్ అంటాం, చిన్న మాలిక్యూల్ అంటాం। क्लेजन स्मिथ अंटाము. अच्छा might be 2019 or 18 నీట్ లో అడిగారు చూడండి. క్రాస్ డాలర్ రాదు ఇక్కడ, క్రాస్ డాలర్ రాదు ఇక్కడ, క్రాస్ డాలర్ రాదు ఇక్కడ, right? Chalo, now you can see what examples are given. Then I go for cross dollar also. Cross dollar में 4 products are found. Chalo, I think mechanism na, shall I skip this mechanism, already I discussed this mechanism. देखो all condensation is given. अच्छा, all condensation nothing but due to presence of alpha hydrogen atoms only. All means OH group and all दिए गए, like OH group और keto group है. All and keto ना होते हैं. So what is aldol reaction? This is aldol reaction. Formation of beta hydroxy aldehydes. Aldol అంటాం మనకి. Followed by delta అంటే మనకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. अच्छा देखो 2 moles in the presence of base dilute acid. First क्या बनेगा? aldol बनेगा. Then followed by delta we get protonaldehyde. We get protonaldehyde. अच्छा, this is already discussed. अच्छा, acetone also. अच्छा, without writing mechanism also we can write acetone के लिए भी कैसे लिखना? अच्छा, CH3 C double bond O CH3 लिखना. अच्छा, second molecule कैसा लिखना? HCH2 C double bond O CH3. Because I can write alpha carbon. Alpha carbon को directly attach करो. Alpha carbon directly attach करो. I will attach it to oxygen. अच्छा, CH3 OH यहाँ CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH directly attach करो. Now followed by delta. Followed by delta. देखो ये अल्फा कार्बन है, ये बीटा होता है, ये बीटा होता है. ये लेस नंबर, this is also beta. But less number of hydrogen CH2 में है. So CH3 double bond CH C double bond O CH. अच्छा, without writing mechanism, how will write Haller condensation products? Haller condensation products. Directly, I think you can see. देखो ये कंपाउंड है, ये कंपाउंड है OHCH2 C double bond O CH3. Followed by delta. Followed by delta. Followed by delta. Delta वस्ते हैं right? ये वाला. Followed by delta. Without writing mechanism also you can check, you can learn how to write this compound. Aldol condensation, right? Which of the following compound undergoes aldol condensation? अच्छा, formaldehyde లో alpha hydrogens లేవు, alpha carbon లేదు. దీనిలో alpha ఉన్నాయి, దీనిలో alpha ఉన్నాయి. Both B and C on. Both B and C. Aldol product of ethanol. Ethanol అంటే acetaldehyde. Protonaldehyde కదా ఫైనల్ కాంపౌండ్. Protonaldehyde కదా. Protonaldehyde అంటే ఏంటి? ఫైనల్ కాంపౌండ్ CH3 CH double bond CHCHO కదా protonaldehyde. నేను చూడండి bute 2-enol. Bute double bond is the second position. अच्छा, crossed aldol condensation. Crossed में, this is also given NCERT textbook. Crossed also given. Crossed aldol condensation is given. अच्छा, crossed में क्या होता है? देखो एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए. अच्छा, सेम एग्जांपल ही might be given in NCERT textbook. एक प्रोपोनॉल लेंगे. अच्छा, you get A, B, C, A, B, C, D. We get A, B, C, D. 4 different compounds are obtained. A, B, C, D. 4 different compounds are obtained. क्रॉस-आधार कंडेंसेशन में. अच्छा देखो ये कैसा है. अरे देखो already we discussed it. If you take 2 moles of this, अच्छा compound ये already we discussed example. अच्छा if you take 2 moles of this, अच्छा suppose compound B is obtained. अच्छा ये भी product you might know very well, just like a Urju reaction we discussed. Just like Urju reaction we discussed. अच्छा 2 moles of acetaldehyde compound is 2 moles of propionaldehyde compound. So what about compound C and D? 1 molecule of aldehyde, 1 molecule of propionaldehyde. देखो सपोज मैंने क्या करना है, फर्स्ट एस्टाल्डेहाइड लिखना है, देन प्रोपेनॉल्डेहाइड को मैंने ऐसे लिखा, प्रोपेनॉल्डेहाइड को अल्फा कार्बन है, अल्फा कार्बन है. अच्छा सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल मैंने कैसे लिखा, देखो हाउ विल राइट सेकंड कार्बन. सेकंड कार्बन में प्रोपेनॉल्डेहाइड ऐसा लिखा स्टार्टिंग कंपाउंड. नाउ एस्टाल्डेहाइड को I will write like this esterline. अच्छा two are different compounds only. Both are having alpha hydrogen sir. Both are having alpha hydrogen different compounds. So देखो यहाँ से यहाँ पे ये alpha carbon है, alpha carbon attached over here, hydrogen attached over here, alpha carbon over here, hydrogen over here. Two different products है, देख लीजिए. देखो CH3, CHOH, CH3, CHO. अच्छा followed by hydrogen, followed by डेल्टा रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. अच्छा यहाँ देखो CH3, CH2, CHOH, now CH2, CH. Both products are different only ना. अच्छा only 2 molecules of acetaldehyde, 1 compound. 2 moles of propionaldehyde, 1 compound. But I will take first acetaldehyde, then followed by this propionaldehyde, or first propionaldehyde followed by acetaldehyde. Here carbon है, here carbon है. So these are cross-order condensation only. Different products are obtained. 4 products A, B, C, D. Like cross, very rare cases they are asking, but cross में 4 products are obtained. Just like Urju reaction also, right? चलो. देखो. If both of them containing alpha hydrogen atom, then cross-order. Only one containing alpha hydrogen, there is no question of cross-order. देखो same example है, एक acetaldehyde, एक propionaldehyde है. देखो कंपाउंड ये B, from 2 moles of ethanol, 2 methyl pentatonienol, 2 moles of ethanol, 2 moles of propanol, and 1 mole देखो self alkyl products है. अच्छा don't confuse what we discussed in this. From 1 molecule of ethanol and 1 molecule of propanol. अच्छा कार्बोनाइल प्रोपेनॉल 1 कार्बोनाइल इथेनॉल 1. Simple देखिए. Without writing mechanism also you can write cross products. This cross alkyl products, right? Don't be confused. While writing the equation, it will be easy for you. अच्छा 4 condensation they are giving. देखो अच्छा both are acetaldehyde है, केस 1 में both are acetaldehyde है. देखो ये वाला followed by delta, followed by delta. I think in that if you have any doubt, no doubt at all. Acetaldehyde cross alkyl condensation, I think no doubt you have. No doubt you have. Like no doubt you. Similarly, 2 moles of propanoldehyde आप देख लीजिए. Propanoldehyde. Propanoldehyde. अच्छा अल्फा कार्बन से अटैच करना. देखो अल्फा कार्बन ने अटैच किया. Again here also no doubt you have. No doubt you have. We discuss the same thing. अच्छा now the problem you can see. 1 molecule of acetaldehyde, 1 molecule of propanoldehyde. अच्छा ये कार्बन है, propanoldehyde. Now carbon ion formed over propanol. Here carbon ion. Propanol air में carbon ion. Then we write without writing mechanism, you can write the product only. No problem. Followed by delta. Followed by delta. This is third compound. Now equation को उल्टा करो. Acetaldehyde propanol, sorry, acetaldehyde को carbon ion बनाओ. You can go for reverse sign. देखो acetaldehyde यहाँ carbon ion है. This is carbon ion now. This is alpha carbon ion. Attach करो. Attach करो. Again one more product है. One more product है. अच्छा, these are all given NCERT textbook ना. Examples are given. अच्छा देखो यहाँ नो कोई चांस नहीं ना. देखो फर्स्ट कंपाउंड में देयर इज नो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है. ये क्रॉस नहीं बनता है. 4 प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं, ओनली वन कंपाउंड ऑब्टेन. बिकॉज़ हियर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन का चांस है, यहाँ चांस है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. यहाँ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन के चांस नहीं है. ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म्ड है. ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म्ड है. अच्छा ऐसा लिखो C6H5 C डबल बॉन्ड H. अच्छा दिस कंपाउंड का ऐसा लिखो HCH2 C डबल बॉन्ड वो C6H5. अच्छा यहाँ ऐड करो, यहाँ ऐड करो. कैसा आता है यहाँ ऐड करेंगे C6H5 CHOH CH2 C डबल बॉन्ड वो C6H5, राइट. अच्छा बीटा एलिमेंट, सॉरी नाउ यू कैन गो फॉर सेज ऑफ रूल है. सेज ऑफ रूल में क्या है, ये अल्फा, ये बीटा में नहीं है, हाइड्रोजन नहीं है. यहां से हाइड्रोजन को निकालो, यही प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन ना. देखो डायरेक्टली यही प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन डायरेक्ट विदाउट राइटिंग मैकेनिज्म. यू कैन राइट इट, राइट. So suppose this compound having alpha hydrogen, they can 4 products आएंगे, but here only waiting one product. अच्छा देखो formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, benzophenone do not undergo solar condensation since they do not having alpha hydrogen. They undergo Cannigerous reaction. That will be discussed. But one limitation is there. So many times asked the limitation है. This compound in the presence of dilute NaOH, no aldol condensation. No aldol condensation. Of course, Cannigerous reaction. This is only Cannigerous reaction. Only Cannigerous reaction. The reason is देखो A methyl group है, A methyl group है. Plus I group increases. Electron releasing. मतलब electron density increases because of this group. Whenever electron density increases, it is not acting like a base. Now proton is not comes out easily as compared to previous one. Proton is very strongly because more electron density is there in carbon only. Very difficult to abstract the proton only. So instead of this one, the NaOH is attack over here only. Here OH minus attack over here only. Instead of this. Like this is a special case. This compound cannot undergo solar condensation because of plus I group increases, electron density increases, proton held very strongly. This is a special case. Sometimes asked in NEET examination, AIMS examination also, JEE examination also. Which does not undergo solar condensation. Formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, benzophenone, all these now. Because no alpha hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. The following is a condition for aldol condensation. Alpha hydrogen. Presence of alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen मतलब acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen होना चाहिए. अच्छा देखो इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर आल्सो वन मोर, आई विल फिनिश वन मोर. Intramolecular order condensation. Intramolecular order condensation. Intramolecular order condensation within the same molecule. Within the same molecule only. देखो इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर कैसा होता है? तो CH2, CH2, CHO, CH2, 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 CH2. Suppose ऐसा compound दिया. Now these are not two different compounds, the same compound. Same. These are not two different compounds, the same compound. In the presence of NaOH. In the presence of NaOH. देखो ये कार्बन ग्रुप में मैंने ऐसा लिखा विदाउट राइटिंग मैकेनिज्म आल्सो आई एम टेलिंग. एक ऑर्गेनिक एक फॉर्मेशन ग्रुप को मैंने ऐसे लिखा. अच्छा एज इज प्रीवियस मैकेनिज्म आल्सो एज इज. अच्छा ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है. नेक्स्ट इज अल्फा कार्बन है. अल्फा कार्बन है. अच्छा दिस अल्फा कार्बन को CH2 के प्लेस లో ఏం రాస్తాను? CH రాసి ఒక H రాస్తాను అంతేనా? Now this CH is added over. देखो this CH is added to electron deficiency. H is added to oxygen. Within the same molecule only. One carbon ion added to carbon. Have been added to oxygen. अच्छा ये देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 मेंबर रिंग हो गए. अच्छा मैंने लिखा 6 मेंबर रिंग है. 6 मेंबर रिंग लिखा. देखो नंबरिंग आई एम गिविंग नंबरिंग लाइक CHO एक नंबर में 2 3 4 5 6. अच्छा फर्स्ट नंबर में क्या है? ये वाला अटैक्ड टू दिस. फर्स्ट नंबर में क्या हुआ है? CHO ग्रुप. राइट, आई थिंक यू रिमेंबर. अच्छा ఈ కార్బన్ కి సపోజ్ దిస్ ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్ అనుకోండి ఇది ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్ అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ CHO గ్రూప్ ఉంది. अच्छा సిక్స్త్ కార్బన్ ఇది CH2, ఫిఫ్త్ కార్బన్ ఇది CH2, ఫోర్త్ కార్బన్ ఇది CH2, థర్డ్ కార్బన్ ఇది CH2. अच्छा ఈ కార్బన్ దగ్గర ఏముంది? ఒక OH ఉంది, ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది అంతేనా? ఈ కార్బన్ దగ్గర ఒక OH ఉంది, ఒక హైడ్రోజన్. ఈ కార్బన్ దగ్గర ఇది గ్రూప్ అటాచ్ అయింది, CH గ్రూప్ అటాచ్ అయింది. नंबरिंग కావాలి అలా వేసుకోండి మీరు नंबरिंग 5. अच्छा ये वाला 5 है 4 लाइक 3. अच्छा सेकंड कार्बन में ఏముంది? H కి యాడ్ అయింది కాబట్టి C దగ్గర OH ఉంది, ఒక H ఉంది. బట్ ఫాలోడ్ బై డెల్టా రాస్తాను నేను. అన్స్టేబుల్ కాంపౌండ్ కదా, ఫాలోడ్ బై డెల్టా రాస్తాను. రిమూవ్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్. अच्छा दिस इज फंक्शन ग्रुप అనుకోండి. ఆల్ఫా అనుకోండి, ఇది బీటా, ఇది బీటా అనుకోండి. ఆల్ఫా మీద OH పోవాలి, బీటా మీద హైడ్రోజన్ పోవాలి. ఎక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ పోతే ఏ మోర్ స్టేబుల్ అవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ, ఇక్కడ రెండు హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉంటాయి. లెస్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్స్ రిమూవ్ కర్. సో నేనేం రిమూవ్ చేస్తానంటే we can always check it. 6 membering is more stable than 6 membering is more stable. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఏం రాస్తామంటే ఇక్కడ నేను CHO రాస్తాను. ఇక్కడ CHO ఉంది, ఇక్కడ డబుల్ బాండ్. దిస్ ఇస్ మోస్ట్ స్టేబుల్ కాంపౌండ్. మోస్ట్ స్టేబుల్ కాంపౌండ్. अच्छा రెండు ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఉన్నా, రెండు కీటోన్ ఉన్నా ఇదే. మరి ఒక ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఒక కీటోన్ ఉంటే carbon is always formed adjacent to the ketone group. రెండు ఆల్డిహైడ్ కానీ రెండు కీటోన్ ఉంటే నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఏదో దగ్గర కార్బన్ అయాన్ యాడెడ్ టు దట్ వన్. ఒక ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఒక కీటోన్ ఉంటే కనుక if one CHO and one keto group is there, carbon ion is formed adjacent to the found nearby ketonic group. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్డిహైడ్ గ్రూప్ ఈజీగా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు, కీటోన్ గ్రూప్ యాడ్ చేయడం బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ న్యూక్లియోఫిలిక్ అడిషన్ రియాక్టివిటీ లెస్ కీటోనిక్. ఈ కార్బన్ అయాన్ కీటోన్ యాడ్ చేయాలంటే కష్టం, బట్ కీటోన్ దగ్గర కార్బన్ అయాన్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు ఈజీగా. ఒక ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఒక కీటోన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కార్బన్ అయాన్ నియర్ బై ది కీటోనిక్ గ్రూపే చూడండి. రెండు ఆల్డిహైడ్ రెండు కీటోన్ ఇస్తే మనకి ఈజీ. దిస్ ఆల్ కన్వర్సేషన్ వెరీ ఈజీ. But intramolecular also there is chance for asking because previously in AIMS examination they asked the questions. Intramolecular.